Say leave one of them open.
So if this stuck, I can bring it back, right?
30 days. Take a picture of this receipt just in case you lose it. At least get that. That's your 30-day warranty.
Alrighty guys, 17 bucks. Let me go slap this on and I should be complete with this brake job. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, I'm back. Here's the one I just got from the place. Alright, and I can see now I'm gonna have a hard time pushing that piston in. So what I'm gonna do, let's go ahead and yeah, I got seals and got seal kit right here. I'll go ahead and build this one while I got it off the car. That one's totally stuck. This one's on the way, so I'm gonna try to catch it at the pad. So hold tight, let me grab some tools. Alright. You know what, guys? I probably could have got this one out. Let me try something. Nope. Guess not. Oh yeah. New man. Now what? All right, guys, you're really supposed to sand this down with some Scotch-Brite or clean this boy out real good. I don't have no sandpaper. It's after hours and the parts department closed, so I got to do with what I get. So clean this piston up real good and clean the boy out, and we're gonna get this installed. As far as the seal goes, just want to make sure you get it where it can go back on the car. Look and see how the old one come off. Let's see. Yes. All right, 3 times and hold it. All right, 3 times and hold it. All right, that's it. Appreciate it. Ooh, righty guys, that's it. I got the rebuilt caliper on. Now guys, let me caution you on something. That was my personal job type overhaul. Okay, had this been a customer, I would have did it the right way. What I mean by right way, I would have took time and filmed it the right way, right along with. It's not that I did it the wrong way. I did it recklessly looking. Okay, but I don't know. So you can just, some of you guys never seen a caliper tore apart or a caliper reconditioning. That was a rushed one, but yeah, I decided to go ahead, go through with the rebuild because this was sticking also. So now it's like brand new, or it's like it's reconditioned. Okay, it depends on how hard it is that piston to go in. If that piston pushes in with ease, there's no restrictions in that caliper. All right, I am done, guys. That's all I have. And by the way, you do have to bleed the brake, especially the line you had open. Ooh, righty, guys. I know what time it is. Test drive, TDC, guys. Test drive chat. Yes, always drive your cars when you do brake jobs. Okay. Yes, you want to be the first one to come across any potential problems. Not that that's going to be a problem, but if there is, you want it to happen on you and not the customer. Now, guys, y'all saw the whole video. Y'all saw what I just did as far as overhauling the caliper. Now, what causes that, guys? It's real. I mean, it's hard to say, guys. I mean, I know a lot of guys or mechanics laugh at brake system service, where the attempt is to remove all the brake fluid and go back in with new fluid. Yes, guys, I'm for that. Okay, it's not that I'm against that. I just think sometimes they may do it a little bit too soon, but that could play. I mean, that's a factor. No fluid lasts forever, guys. Now, as far as like if this car has been sitting up for a while, guys, that could have played a role in it. All right, if a car set up too long, yes, things would just stick. I mean, you would get stuff on the rotors and all kinds of crazy nonsense. So it's hard to say what caused it. I'm not gonna even try to do that, but I will say, I mean, right? I don't even want to put a mile to it, okay? But whatever your recommended car maker suggests you do, a brake system service, meaning get rid of all your old brake fluid and go in with new brake fluid, I should do it. Now, a lot of shops have come up with their own suggestion when you should do it. Some say every 30,000 miles. Okay, I'm not against maintenance, guys. I'm not against early maintenance. Okay, I am against wasted maintenance, though. All right, so yes. Wow, guys, I have to go get my wallet. Y'all see that? I mean, that is behind E. I just noticed that on the way. I cannot go test drive this car. So what I'm gonna do? Y'all know my motive, guys. The motive is just driving. Okay, the wheel is not locking up. The brake pedal pushed all the way in, or the caliper pushed in during the overhauling process, and the caliper is now free. Look, I mean, that is what comes before E. A, B, C, D. That is on D, guys. I cannot go drive this car like that. I'm glad I looked at. Always look at your gas hand, guys, when you're about to go test drive. So I'm gonna go grab a few dollars to put in this tank just to go driving and verify that my repairs was a success. Okay, if I saw smoke on that side wheel, guys, you don't want to see smoke. That is an indication that either the brake is stuck on, and I start dragging. So I put 2 and 2 together, got out and looked. Remember, guys, first sign of trouble is how hard that caliper or that piston is to push in. All right, anytime you're doing a brake job, you got to push in the piston. If that piston is extremely hard to get in, you're about to have some problems. So you can catch it at the path, pay $6 for an overhaul kit, and recondition it, or buy a new one. Okay, they're not that expensive, but I suggest you get something done on that first sign. If the piston push in firmly and smoothly, yes, go with it. All right, guys, I'm done. I'm gonna wrap this video up, okay? Because I can't drive. I'm going to get some money and get some to go get some gas and test drive it. But I think we should be fine, guys. That's all I have, man. I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching the videos. All right. Thanks for watching.